What is up, YouTube? So, funnily enough, I have told you probably that the front sprocket was changed, and it actually was changed. Like, I forgot to take a picture, but the diameter was like, it looked like it was half as big. So, we took 8 hours or something today to change that thing because we didn't have the fitting tools, even though I thought we had, and it was a lot of stress, a lot of kaput. So sadly, rip blinker indicator, I ripped off my left indicator. When I tried to push the back wheel forward, I sadly broke off the blinker. I have to install a new one. There have been aftermarket ones on here, so I gotta check if I can find those ones again, or if I have to change 2 in the back and have 2 different ones in the front. All weird, all weird. So, what's new? Everything is not working out as usual, but damn, you can already tell that thing is slower. I will 100% be able to rev up higher now, which is not true. I'm just not as fast revving up now. So I am actually slower in the lower RPMs and in the lower speeds. But I should be faster up top now. And this is the video we're testing that out. If that thing doesn't say 117 when I went on the country road, I am going to lose my fucking shit more than I do usually. Ooh. Almost tripped there. Look at the sunset, brother. Thank God I have a darkened visor. Sheesh. That's beautiful. Sky's burning, guys. Woo! Alright, so yeah, like I said, I have less torque now, I feel like. Which, I will see if that's a big issue. I hope it won't be. I can tell, like, usually I'd be at RPMs right here, right now. Oh, was that off? Yeah, I'm so slow. Past 100! Woo! Now it slows me down. That's what I'm talking about! Whoa! Let's go! 115? That is sick! Like, I know that still isn't so fast. But 116, so much better than 103 where I was stuck before. The thing is, on the country roads, which is, like, you see that yellow sign right there? That means we're in the city again. So, in the city we're allowed to drive 50 kilometers, which is, I think, 30 miles. If we have that yellow sign again, but this time it crossed the city name, it's country road, and you can go 100. Me being on a bike, driving 103. That is so cool, finally. I can hit some speed. Woohoo! Oh my god, the sunset, it is so good looking. Woohoo! That's why we're out here. It looks so good. It's beautiful outside. Brother, I love riding bike. Damn! I wish I could go faster, like 120 miles. Oh, dude. Oh, it's cold. So when there's like a lot of shadow, it's like actually really cool. I'm covering my chin just so the audio sounds better. Okay, where was I? So if I'm going, like now, 100, and let's say it's more of rush hour, more time, like, let's say it's 5 p.m. on a weekday, and in this time I go on the country road and I drive 100. 100 is legal, so most people go like 105, 110. We always just usually go a bit more higher. I don't. Obviously, I keep speed limit, legal reasons and shit. People usually go faster a bit. Let's say 105, maybe 110. And they see me being on a bike and I go 103 and I cannot go faster. They start to try and bully me into going fast because they think, oh, look at him, he has a sports bike. You don't see I have 125 from the back if you don't know what you're looking at. And most people actually don't care, right? They see a sports bike, okay, he should go faster than 100. So they start tailgating his shit, which is so dangerous because I cannot physically go faster. So it's dangerous, like I said. And 103 on the country road is like, it's the limit, right? So I go full power on my bike. So I'm at the rev limiter 100% of the time for the time I'm driving on the road, which is like, I don't think that's really good for the engine. I don't think the engine minds that much, but I feel like just for my feelings, maybe it's really bad, but just for my feelings, I don't want to do that. So right now, where I am, I know I can go 105, 110 if I need to and if I have to, or I can even go 116, 117, full throttle, but if I go down again to 110, 105, I still have play to go faster, and I'm not going full throttle, like I'm not going rev limiter. I don't go full on out power on my bike, right? So I feel like it's healthier. So that's the whole thing why I wanted to do that. And now I can like actually pull the revs a little higher because it doesn't rev up that fast. So I can go up until 100. Usually that was my limit right now, right? But now I can go like that. And this is limit. And I don't go full throttle. I'm not getting pushed back. So I can go a little bit slower, like 110, like right here. Really good speed. Still have room to go higher, to go faster. So yeah, that's the whole thing why I wanted to do that. That is so good. And it was actually really annoying in the lower gears. That thing revved up so fast. It went up to limiter so fast. And of course it's supposed to be faster than that, but I'm just a 125. I'm not fast anyway. And I usually hit second gear when I wanted to go fast. I hit second gear in limiter. Like it made wee, and then I hit the second gear because I thought there is more. But there wasn't. So yeah, that's like actually really cool. Was that the sign? Yeah, so I don't even need to indicate because I don't have an indicator anymore. That's so annoying. Yeah, okay, for the people in the front maybe. That is so cool, brother! I love that! Now it's like my first day of riding home. This is my bike now. Woo-hoo-hoo! I love that. Dude, that is awesome. I love that so much. Like in the higher revs, I can still go a little bit. Like here, I would usually hit it already. Look, I can still go. Now I go full throttle. It goes. Now limiter. That is so awesome! Was a gear left. That was usually my top speed and I could shift again. I'm so excited for shit like that. I'm so excited, brother. That is so cool. It feels like my bike now because that is all I wished for at that point. It is so much more safe on the countryside. It is just so much better, brother. We can see how fast I can actually go now. Like fast, relatively speaking, because obviously I'm not the fastest. and I don't know how to start fast, and yeah, like shit, I need to learn still. Am I tripping? That feels so much faster than with the other Sprocket! What? No way! That feels so much faster! What? I revved up into 40 kilometers in first gear. Usually I had to change gears in like 25, 30. What was that? I'm so much faster! That is my bike! Please don't die! That is so cool, brother! And I'm going fast! I'm going, look at me, 114, and I don't go limiter! I don't kill my bike now by going in this speed range. That is so cool! And in all honesty, I cannot feel a difference. Like maybe the shorter front sprocket is faster. Maybe. But it is on a marginal way. And at the top ranges, like brother, 100%, this feels so much better. I can overtake cars. Brother, I can overtake cars. I go faster than them. That is so cool. That is insane. That is my actual first ride on that bike. How it's supposed to feel. How it is. Oh my god, I'm so fucking happy, brother. Oh my god. I am so freaking happy. I don't even care about the killed blinker now. I don't care at all. The bike feels so different. If you have a 125 and you think about changing your front sprocket, don't do it. Don't do it. Like, you may be faster by a margin on the lower side, but up top, like 15 kilometers more. I don't know. There's like, is it 10 miles or something more? At the, yeah, obviously, right? I was able to hit like 60, 61 in miles. Now I hit 72 maybe in miles, 71, 72, like 10 miles difference. That to me alone is so much worth it. Just the experience to use the gear longer in the revs. If you want to go fast and don't have to shift up so fast. It actually felt like on the pull we did at the end, it felt so much faster, to be honest. I changed first gear at 40 kilometers. That is, like, I had to change it before on 30, maybe 29 or something, and it almost hit limiter, so that was so much better, so much cooler feeling. The experience alone, I don't care if I'm slower by a margin, the experience is so much better. Like, on all honesty, do not change the front sprocket. Don't do it. It's not worth it. I love that bike so much more now. We lost the blinker on the way. Rip, my guy, rip. But I love driving the bike now more than ever. Thank you if you made it this far. Hopefully we see each other in the next one again. Brother, dude, I love that so much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.